Hey, Dr. Shakib here from Irvine Spine and Wellness Center. I'm going to tell you how to determine your dominant eye and why that's even important. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and let's talk about dominant eye and why that's important. For one, do you think if you have right hand or right leg as your dominant hand and foot, your eye on the right side needs to be dominant on the left side? Think about it. The answer is no. You're not supposed to have a dominant eye, and the reason for that is because you use both of your eyes at the same time. When was the last time you just looked through one eye? So having a dominant eye is actually not okay, and it actually impacts your balancing. Why is that? Because your right eye gives information to the right side of your brain, and the right side of your brain controls movement and sensation of the opposite side, and same goes on the other side. So having a dominant eye means the non-dominant eye is not doing enough of a good job giving information to your brain, and therefore the two sides of the brain don't get enough info from the surrounding area to determine how to balance. So it is not okay to have a dominant eye. So how do you determine which eye is dominant? It's pretty simple. Let me show you. So what you want to do is you want to make a triangle where your thumbs are covering each other, and you're making a circle just like that. So as I'm looking right through here, in a non-dominant, or when both eyes are equal, you will be having both eyes looking through the circle. You don't want to bring this up, you don't want to bring it here, but you want to keep it there and try to look at whoever is in front of you, and that person has to determine your dominant eye. So when you do this, you hold it there and look at the person, and then if you have one eye more dominant than the other side, you're going to be looking at that person this way or that way. If you're looking at them equally with both eyes, you're going to be looking, that person is going to see both of your eyes equally within this triangle. Now make the triangle not so small, so make your thumbs cover each other and then make a triangle just like that, and keep it just like this. That's how you determine if you have a dominant eye. And so then what do you do about that? It's pretty simple. Get yourself one of those eye patches. I order mine from Amazon. So what you want to do is you want to cover your non-dominant eye, your dominant eye with that. So let's say my dominant eye is my right hand, which by the way, like I said, you're not supposed to have it. And it doesn't mean that you're right-handed, so your dominant eye is on the right side. My dominant eye was on the left side, and I'm right-handed. So it's really not related to your dominance hand-wise. So you cover the dominant eye, in other words, taking away the eye that does most of the seeing, and then the non-dominant eye has to start doing the work it doesn't like to do. Sometimes it doesn't want to go in, sometimes it doesn't want to go up, out, up, or down. So it forces it to do the work it doesn't like to do. Now the key here is you want to make sure you do not start using your phone or computer, or start reading or things like that. With that eye, it's just too stressing the eye to begin with. So, if you're going about doing big things, I don't know, if you're cleaning your house or you're doing the laundry, things like that. And don't make it more than 30 minutes a day. Why? Because if it goes longer than 30 minutes, you're giving the wrong input to your brain. It starts thinking you're actually blind in that right eye in this case. So you don't want to do that. Keep going at it until you lose that eye dominance, which is going to help you so much more with your balance. Hope this helped. If you like what you saw, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'm going to make sure I put all different kinds of contact you can have or you can use to contact me with any questions you have. Take care.